everybody, welcome to the taste test at Nimble, where we've lined up some of the most mouth-watering dishes here, and our guests are going to taste this, but they have no idea who the chef is. The chef is Julia. But there's one more catch. They're all going to do it blindfolded. I always sniff the food first, so...
Yes, sir. Served it hot and all, so see. Okay, go ahead. Huh?
Yeah.
Can I taste? Seems like a North Indian dish.
It's rice. Some kind of
Feels like home, like something that my mom would make for me. Is it like poha or maybe something like fried rice or something? Can you guess this, auntie? What is pulao?
it's Indian, I think. It's obviously Indian. Probably some sort of a pulao, biryani, something in that way. Can I take another?
I feel like all the spices and all the masalas are like blended in pretty well. And it's cooked pretty well. Like, I mean, it doesn't feel soggy or anything like that. Like,
What do you think this recipe is?
I think it's veg, paneer pulao or
Okay.
biryani.
Yeah, it's probably a biryani.
I think it's biryani. I'd like to lock Computer G. Lock biryani. Second dish here, Abdul. So, wow, guys.
I'm just gonna do the same drill, sniff it first.
Again, I think this is also Indian because of the flavor. It might be wrong because it's saucy and all. I can feel tomato. There's onion. There's
This is like paneer.
Have you had something like this before?
Yeah, but this is delicious. The gravy is amazing.
I think paneer gravy.
It's a paneer gravy.
Indian, North Indian, probably Punjabi, and a paneer butter masala, shahi paneer, something of that sort.
I think there's cashew, the cashew paste.
And spices, cloves,
It feels rich, the gravy. And I'm assuming it is onion tomato paste based gravy.
Paneer is surprisingly soft. The flavor comes through really well, you know.
Again, it feels like home cooked food. I mean, there's no doubt on that. Yeah, and it's just like so perfectly blended, and the gravy also feels so perfect. No, this is really good.
How's the flavors in the dish?
It's really good.
I can't exactly place the dish, but all the rich buttery Punjabi food ka flavor.
It's well cooked. And I think this has paneer as well.
Okay.
So, can I guess the dish now?
वही पनीर मक्खन वाला बटर पनीर बटर मसाला whatever.
paneer butter masala. Yeah, probably.
Is it paneer butter masala or kadai paneer, something like that?
This is cold and all, temperature change feels like Bangalore.
Oh my god, this is so good. Is it okay if I take another bite?
I can taste milk. Yes, badam, cashew.
Kheer. And again, it feels like home cooked food, something that my mom would always make for me. This makes me feel so nostalgic.
Probably there is semia. So good.
Rice kheer with, I think there's a lot of dry fruits in it.
Sweet dish, which is so good.
I don't want to explain more about this dish. I think it's kheer.
Okay.
In Tamil we call semia paisam.
I'm a Malu, and paisam is something that I always crave for. It's too nostalgic for me. I think I miss my mom now.
This one I can finish, no?
It is so tasty. Like, I just can't stop myself from having another bite.
You can remove the blindfold and you can see the dishes.
I'm actually excited. I'm gonna cry if all my guesses were wrong.
Intense.
Okay, I was right about two of them. Not bad. Pretty much right, right?
Yeah, you guys got 3 of them. Yeah. So who do you think made this dish?
The head chef, right?
Of course, one of you guys, probably.
What if we told you the head chef here is not human?
What?
That's a shock. How can that be possible?
Would you like to meet the chef?
Yeah, bro, I'd like to thank him for all this beautiful stuff.
Sure.
Of course, sure.
Okay, come let's go.